Ooh la la! Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe. For today's video, we're going to cook mussels with coconut milk. And of course, we have some veggies in it also. If you appreciate this video, of course, don't forget also to click that like button. So, are you ready to mingle? Let's go! If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to smash that watching button right there. Hello guys! Let's start the raffle now. Wag nang patagalin. We'll call first the 3 names to get 500 pesos each. And the rest, 200 pesos cash, Gcash. Okay? Okay, let's call the first name. Let's shake it first. Shake, shake, shake. Ito, shake, shake, shake. First name. Oh, you are the first name, Vilma Iduave, to get the 500 pesos. Congratulations. Okay. Second name. Congratulations, Mabel Lim. Mabel Lim, you got 500. You got 500 pesos. Okay, the last name to get the 500 pesos. Shake, shake, shake. third person is Vincent Lim. Vincent Lim, you got 500 pesos. Congratulations. So we got already 3 winners of 500 pesos. Now, proceed to the 200. Congratulations, Aurelien Lim, you got 200 pesos. 200 pesos. Okay. Next name. Lynn Undes, you got 200 pesos. Lynn Undes, 200 pesos. Okay, proceed. Kimberly Lim, you are the next lucky winner of 200 pesos. Kimberly Lim. Okay, we got our last winner for 200 pesos. Gcash. Gcash. Dahlia Imben. Dahlia Imben, you got 200 Gcash from me. Congratulations. So, sa lahat ng nag-join, thank you so much for being a part of this Paggasolina giveaway. And I hope to see you in the next giveaway. Bye!